Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now see the EGR valve. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to the EGR breakdown. Loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Start by removing the valve control hoses. Disconnect the air inlet conduit. To do this, move aside the metal pin with a flathead screwdriver. Then remove the duct. Using a 13mm spanner, unscrew the two screws that hold the small metal conduit to the EGR valve. Next, using a socket wrench, an extender and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the three screws that hold the EGR valve to the large metal conduit. One of the screws is under the valve and therefore difficult to access. You need to unscrew it blindly using a socket wrench and a long extender. Once the third one is unscrewed, the EGR valve is free. You can now remove the EGR valve. Once the valve has been removed, you will also notice a lot of clogging in the various conduits connected to the valve. Clean them as much as possible. Otherwise, you would not benefit from the performance of your new EGR valve.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new EGR valve. Install the new EGR valve. Next, tighten the three screws holding the valve to the large metal conduit. Take the new metal seal. Install it between the valve and the small metal conduit. Then screw them back on. Before putting the air inlet conduit back in place, apply silicone grease to the seal. Then put the conduit back in place. Make sure the locking pin is put back correctly. Reconnect the valve control hoses. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.